Welcome to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the latest tech offerings. Today, we're exploring the HP Omnibook X, a laptop that's making waves in the world of ultra-portables. The Omnibook X boasts a sleek and understated design, perfect for those who prefer functionality over flashy aesthetics. Its aluminum chassis not only feels premium but also ensures durability, making it a great companion for frequent travelers. Featuring a 14-inch 2.2K touchscreen IPS display, the Omnibook X delivers sharp and clear images. While it lacks an OLED option, the touchscreen adds versatility, especially for Windows 11 users navigating with touch. Powered by the Snapdragon X Elite X1 E78-100 chip and equipped with 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB SSD, the Omnibook X excels in performance benchmarks. It handles multitasking effortlessly, capable of managing over 30 Chrome tabs without breaking a sweat. One of its standout features is the epic battery life, outlasting many competitors in its class. It's designed to keep you powered throughout your workday and beyond, a real asset for users on the go. Despite its slim profile, the Omnibook X includes essential ports like USB-C, USB-A, and a headphone jack, ensuring compatibility with both modern and legacy devices. It also supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for robust wireless connectivity. The spacious keyboard deck with well-spaced keycaps offers a comfortable typing experience, ideal for extended work sessions. The responsive touchpad complements the keyboard well, providing smooth navigation. While not optimized for high-end gaming, the Omnibook X handles everyday tasks and light gaming with ease. It's not a gaming powerhouse, but it gets the job done for casual gaming sessions. In conclusion, the HP Omnibook X stands as a testament to what Snapdragon-powered laptops can achieve. With its blend of performance, portability, and exceptional battery life, it's a worthy contender in the ultra-portable laptop market. Whether you're a professional on the move or a student needing reliable computing power, the Omnibook X delivers. That wraps up our review of the HP Omnibook X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and insights. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Happy computing!